Creating 3D models from scratch is one of the hardest and slowest job for any creator. Whether you are making games, movies or art. For years, it has been a long manual process. But what if AI could do all the hard work for you? In today's video, we are looking at the 3 incredible AI tools that are completely changing how 3D assets are made. We will check out the mind-blowing projects from NVIDIA that learns from 2D pictures, a tool that can turn any image into 3D model for your games, and a super smart file browser that organizes all your creative files for you. This is the future of 3D happening right now. If that sounds cool, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more AI tools. Alright, let's dive into the first tool. First up is a true beast from the world of AI research, Get3D. This project comes from the genius at NVIDIA and the University of Toronto. Now, you can't go out and buy this tool today, but it's a blueprint for the future of 3D creation. And you need to see what it can do. So, what is it? Get3D is an AI that learns what something looks like and then dreams up completely new 3D version on its own. Imagine if you feed it thousands of photos of car from every possible angle. The AI studio studies them all and then starts generating brand new unique 3D cars model that have never existed before. And these are not just simple shapes. They are high quality, fully structured models that are ready to be dropped into a video game or movie. The way it works is pure genius. The AI has 2 separate brains, one for the shape and one for the look or the structure. It creates a 3D model, then takes a 2D picture of it. AI judges then look at that picture and tell the creator if it looks real or fake. It's like a student showing their art to a teacher over and over, getting feedback each time until the art is perfect. The results are just stunning. Get3D can create an amazing variety of shapes with tiny details other AI struggles with, like chairs with little wheels on them, cars with windows and headlights, and even human character with their own clothes. Even cooler, it can separate the shapes from the style. Imagine taking a 3D shape of a slick sports car and applying the structure of an old rusty truck. With Get3D, you can do that. It can even generate 3D models just from a simple text descriptions. Get3D is a powerful preview of a future where we can create endless 3D content with just a few words or images. If Get3D shows up the incredible research of tomorrow, our second tool, Scenario, is the powerful tool you can start using today. This one is built for creator, artists, and especially game developers who need to make things fast. Scenario's star feature is its image to 3D generator. The idea is simple but revolutionary. You can take any 2D picture you have, a photo, a drawing, a piece of concept art, and the AI will build a 3D model out of it. It's like a magic. This completely changes the game for bringing your ideas to life without having to spend days modeling. But you are not just pressing a button and hoping for the best. Scenarios gives you a tons of control. You can decide how simple or detailed the model should be. You can adjust the quality of the textures. And you can pick the shape to make sure it's perfect for your project. This is so important for making assets that you can actually use in a real game. When you are done, you can export the model and drop it straight into popular software like Unity, Blender, or Unreal Engine. What makes Scenario so great is that it wants to be your all-in-one art creation station. You can start with a abstract idea to generate a 2D image. use their built-in tool to edit it and then send that final image to the 3D generator. This means you can go from just an idea to your head into a finished 3D model, all inside one tool, in minutes instead of days. For game developers, this is a dream come true for making quick prototypes and tons of game prompts. For anyone in marketing, you can turn products photos in 3D models for cool interactive ads. If you are a creator looking to speed up your work, scenarios all built for you. Our final tool, Poly, solves a problem that every single creator has. After you have made all these amazing 3D models and images, where do you put them? If your computer is a total mess of files with names you can't remember, Poly is here to fix it. It's an intelligent file browser built for the way we create today. Think of it like Google Drive or Dropbox, but with a super smart brain that was built for creators like us. The absolute best feature is its AI search. This is way beyond searching for a file name. Poly's AI actually understands what's inside your files. This is where it gets crazy. You can search using normal words instead of remembering projects _helmet _v4 final. You can just type, find my 3D models of robot with a red eye, and it will find it. You can even show it's a picture and ask it to find other files that look similar. Beyond the amazing search, Poly is just beautiful to use. It has lightning fast preview that let you zoom in all details and a special waterfall view, so you can scroll through thousands of files without any delay. You can add notes to your files, compare two files side by side, and organize everything visually. Collaboration is also super easy. You can make shared folders to work with your friends or team, and all the changes, tags, and notes update for everyone instantly. You can even create public folders to show off your work to the world, turning your asset library into a portfolio that everyone can explore. With a smart system that keeps all your files perfectly synchronized everywhere, Poly is shaping up to be the must-have file organizer for every 3D artist, designer, and digital creator out there. So, there you have it. 3 incredible AI tools that are pushing the boundaries of 3D creation, from generating assets out of thin air to organizing them with a super smart AI. The future is moving fast, and it is so exciting. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends who would find it useful. And make sure you have subscribed with notification on so you don't miss the next one.